The approximate weight of a fully engorged penis in the bull elephant is 10 kg or 22 pounds, 15 kg or 33 pounds, 20 kg or 44 pounds, over 25 kg or approximately 55 pounds. And the correct answer is option D, that is over 25 kg or approximately 55 pounds. Which of the following scientists is historically recognized as the father of modern artificial insemination due to his pioneering experimental work in animal reproduction? Antonio von Leeuwenhoek, Gregor John Mendel, Louis Pasteur, Lazzaro Spallanzani. And the correct answer is option D, that is Lazzaro Spallanzani. The regressed non-functional remnant formed following luteolysis of the corpus luteum in the ovary is termed as corpus hemorrhagicum, corpus luteum spurium, corpus albicans, corpus atreticum. And the correct answer is option C, that is corpus albicans. Ovulation in the mare differs from the other domestic mammals because it occurs at multiple cortical sites from the ovarian medulla, randomly over the ovary, only at the ovulation fossa. And the correct answer is option D, that is only at the ovulation fossa. Antral follicles of the ovary are also known as primordial follicles, primary follicles, Graafian follicles, atretic follicles. And the correct answer is option C, that is Graafian follicles. The oocyte within a secondary follicle is surrounded by which specialized structure? Corona radiata, theca interna, antrum, zona pellucida. And the correct answer is option D, that is zona pellucida. All of the following statements about granulosa cells of antral or tertiary follicles are true except they synthesize androgens, they have follicle stimulating hormone receptors, they produce inhibin, they secrete follicular fluid. And the correct answer is option A, that is they synthesize androgens. This one is the incorrect about antral or tertiary follicles. The normal site of fertilization in domestic mammals is the isthmus, infundibulum, ampulla, uterus. And the correct answer is Option C, that is ampulla. Which group of animals is typically classified as monoestrous? Bovids, equids, suids, canids. And the correct answer is option D, that is canids. Which of the following is not a monoestrous female? Dog, sow, bear, cat. And the correct answer is option B, that is sow. Which epithelial transition is characteristic of the bovine vagina? Simple squamous to stratified squamous, stratified cuboidal to columnar, columnar to stratified squamous, transitional to stratified squamous. And the correct answer is option C, that is columnar to stratified squamous. During natural mating in cattle, semen is physiologically deposited at which specific site of the female reproductive tract? External cervical os, fornix vaginae, caudal vagina, body of the uterus. And the correct answer is option B, that is fornix vaginae. In which domestic species does the cervix project into the cranial vagina to form a recess known as the fornix vaginae? Cow, mare and bitch, Eve, sow and queen, doe, Eve and sow, mare, sow and queen. And the correct answer is option A, that is cow, mare and bitch. Which part of the female reproductive tract in domestic animals serve as a shared passage for both the urinary and reproductive systems? Caudal vagina, vestibule, cervical canal, fornix vaginae. And the correct answer is option B, that is vestibule. In most avian species, which reproductive structures are functionally present? Both ovaries, right ovary only, left ovary and oviduct, left ovary only. And the correct answer is option C, that is left ovary and oviduct. The fluid portion of semen formed by secretions from the epididymal tail and accessory sex glands is called spermatozoa, testicular fluid, prostatic fluid, seminal plasma. And the correct answer is option D, that is seminal plasma. Which component of the semen does not include sperm cells? Ejaculate, seminal plasma, semen, epididymal content. And the correct answer is option B, that is seminal plasma. Which group of animals characteristically has intra-abdominal testes? Bulls and rams, dogs and cats, horses and pigs, birds and elephants. And the correct answer is option D, that is birds and elephants. Testosterone in the testes is secreted by Sertoli cells, Leydig cells, spermatogonia, peritubular cells. And the correct answer is option B, that is Leydig cells. The primary endocrine function of interstitial cells of the testes is testosterone secretion, spermatogenesis, inhibin release, sperm maturation. And the correct answer is option A, that is testosterone secretion. Spermatozoa leave the testes through which structure? Seminiferous tubules, rete testes, epididymal duct, vas deferens. And the correct answer is option D, that is rete testes. The corkscrew shape of the boar's glans penis primarily facilitates vaginal fixation, semen retention, uterine entry, cervical penetration. And the correct answer is option D, that is cervical penetration. The structure forming the majority of the penile shaft and responsible for erection is the corpus cavernosum, corpus spongiosum, tunicula virginea, urethral groove. And the correct answer is option A, that is corpus cavernosum. The erectile tissue that surrounds the penile urethra ventrally is corpus cavernosum, corpus spongiosum, tunicula virginea, bulbourethral gland. And the correct answer is option B, that is corpus spongiosum. During erection in the dog, which structure becomes markedly engorged to form a turgid swelling that allows copulatory lock? Pars longa glandis, corpus cavernosum, bulbus glandis, Carpus spongiosum. And the correct answer is option C, that is bulbus glandis.